I'll be showing you how to do these nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'm going to paint every other toe yellow. Now I'm going to paint every other toe this pretty blue. Follow me on Instagram at Awesome Nails. Okay, now we're going to actually start the basketball design. For more videos like this, check out my cards and the end screens at the end of this video. Woo! This is what they look like when they're done. Bam! What? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.